By the time you're done watching this video, over 2,500 major surgeries will have taken place worldwide. 1 year from now, when you're all smiling, celebrating your next birthday, over 250 million major surgeries would have taken place globally. The idea of the body being torn open is frightening. The fear of the numerous complications that can occur during or after a surgery is a major cause of concern for most of these patients.
They have to cut layers of your body before they get to where they want to do whatever they want to do. And so when they are stitching you back, they are stitching layers, and the skin could tear open. You could develop an infection. Open surgery is not something that should be taken lightly.
Annually, Nigerians spend over 14 billion naira abroad on surgical procedures. Sadly, some end up falling into the wrong hands, coming back with even more complications. Some lose their lives on the process.
But people are not aware, and so they keep traveling around the world. Unfortunately, they are all our brothers and sisters. And when they go out there and encounter problems, they don't remain in those countries. They come back to us, and we cannot run away from them. And so we find ourselves fixing the mess that has been created by so many people around the world.
People are spending huge amounts of money going abroad to do what could be done here.
Many of these people don't go out there on referral. They go online, go into internet and search for hospitals on their own. And the chances are that they are going to fall in the wrong hands.
Contrary to popular belief, some of these issues can be treated right here in Nigeria. There are now world-class health centers in Nigeria with the right technology and human expertise to safely deliver on very advanced surgical procedures. One of such surgical procedures is minimal access surgery.
I had a set of procedures. The stones in the right kidney and the left kidney and ureters were all removed. Almost 2.5 hours procedure. No cutting, no transfusion. What can be better than that?
Imagine a surgery without wound or scars. A patient's body does not have to be torn open, but instead, using very specialized piece of equipment, surgery is done through natural body openings. Surgeons can go through the mouth and carry out surgery in the stomach without affecting any body part. They can also go to the organ used for urination until they are inside the kidney, and they can carry out surgical operation in the kidney, leaving the patient without any wounds.
You can imagine kidney stones this size. This came out of one kidney on a patient, right? So by the time you are done with this type of surgery in one day, believe me, you can do the other kidney also the same day. But if it is done by open surgical operation, it will be a big wound. You wait for a week to 2 weeks for the wound to heal. The patient goes home and comes back 6 weeks later to have the other side done.
What this means for the patients is that even after an operation, they can live without big scars on the skin. There is minimal or no need for a blood transfusion to be carried out. They recover faster because damage to nearby organs is less. The reason is that the equipment used for surgery is very small and precise compared to when a surgeon has to put his whole hand into a patient's body. Their stay in the hospital is short.
In the past, I have done 2 open surgeries in order to remove very big obstructing stones. But this time around, I decided that I don't want open surgery anymore. Open surgery is that surgery where they have to cut you open. And I said, no, I don't want that anymore because it takes a long time to heal and damages could be done. So when this idea, I found this idea of minimal access surgery using laser lithotripsy, I was fascinated.
More than half of the patients we do in Kelena go home the same day.
I'll be living here today. I'll be start today. The operation was yesterday.
Located at 123 3rd Avenue, Gwarinpa, Abuja, is Kelena Hospital, a hospital currently among the league of hospitals locally and globally that offer minimal access surgery and a wide range of surgical procedures.
Even the gynecologist does a lot of minimal access surgery. Apart from maybe cesarean section, of course, they have to bring the baby out intact. Otherwise, hysterectomy, removing the entire womb or fibroids or ovarian cyst. It does all of the minimal access. Even ectopic pregnancy. It does ectopic pregnancy through minimal access, and the patients leave the hospital the next day.
Patients deserve better. They deserve safe surgical procedures with no complications. They deserve the best care during their stay in the hospital. They deserve to be able to get back on their feet as quickly as possible.
I think it is better for Nigerians to first of all try to find out what is available here at home. Knowing very well that the person treating you is known to your family, is known to the neighborhood, and he will not maltreat you, he will not do the wrong thing. Because if he does the wrong thing, it's his own name that is at stake. It's his own reputation that is at stake.
We are Kelina Hospital, and we will continue to provide expert medicine with a caring touch.